Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. We have done the alphabet so far up to letter N in Ekegusii, and that's A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na. So today we are going to look at O, Pa, and that is O and P in English, okay? Example of a word that begins with O is omonto, and this means person. Omonto is singular, abanto is plural. So omonto is person, abanto is people. Repeat after me. Omonto. Alright, now let's sing this song together. O is for omonto. O, omonto. O is for omonto. O, omonto. Awesome. Alright. Letter P sounds like pa in Ekegusii, but we do not have many words in Ekegusii traditionally that begin with letter P. So most of the words that are in Ekegusii that begin with P, they are borrowed words, especially from English. For example, the pencil in Ekegusii is a pencil, a pencil. So we just borrowed it directly from English. P is for pencil, pencil. P is for pencil, pencil. Thank you so much for joining me. Kindly give me more words in the comments that you know in Ekegusii that begin with P, whether they are borrowed or traditional words in Ekegusii language. And this is me, Boyani, from Learn Ekegusii with Boyani. Kindly like, share, follow, subscribe, and put your thoughts in the comments, and see you for the next lesson. Bye bye.